Our stored product moths are wreaking havoc on your business. From chocolate factories to spice warehouses, these pests can cause significant damage and losses. Introducing the SPP Diamond Trapp, a game changer in stored product pest monitoring, proudly brought to you by Giridhar Pai Associates in partnership with Gumtree Traps. Launched in April 2024, the SPP Diamond Trapp has quickly become the go-to solution for countless food businesses across India. We are trusted by leading chocolate, spice processing, bakery, dehydrated onion, instant noodle and other types of food factories, as well as warehouses nationwide. Why? Because the SPP Diamond Trapp is specifically designed to effectively monitor and control key stored product pests, primarily the almond moth, which infests dried fruits, nuts, chocolates, grains, spices, pet foods and more. And it doesn't stop there. When used with the correct pheromone lure, the SPP Diamond Trapp attracts and traps a variety of stored product moths, giving you crucial data for pest management. What sets the SPP Diamond Trapp apart? First, its affordability. We offer a pack of 25 traps at a significantly more economical price than imported alternatives. Second, its size and efficiency. With a large adhesive surface of 46 by 16 centimeter, it maximizes capture rates. Assembly is simple. Just remove the release paper from both sides, fold along the crease lines to form the diamond shape and place the pheromone lure in the center. Hang the trap about 1.5 meters above the floor for optimal performance. And for easy monitoring, a convenient recording table is printed directly on the trap. The SPP Diamond Trapp is unique. It's the only stored product moth trap manufactured in India, providing a reliable and accessible solution for food businesses. It's non-toxic, allowing you to monitor and plan your pest control strategies safely and effectively. Don't let stored product moths compromise your product quality and business reputation. Invest in the SPP Diamond Trapp and take control of your pest management. Contact Giridhar Pai Associates today to purchase the SPP Diamond Trapp and our high-quality stored product moth pheromone lures. Protect your food products, protect your food business. Contact us now. Thank you.